Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make soft, fluffy, and jiggly Japanese cheesecake. Cotton cheesecake or Japanese cheesecake is a cross between cheesecake and a fluffy chiffon cake. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the cheesecake, we will need 6 large eggs, 250 grams of cream cheese, 2/3 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of fresh milk, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of cake flour, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a pan over low heat, add the butter, cream cheese, and milk, and whisk them together until completely melted and there are no lumps. Then, set this aside to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. Add the cream cheese mixture with the egg yolks. Then add the lemon zest. Give them a whisk. Add the sugar and continue whisking until they are combined. Sieve the flour, then a cornstarch or corn flour, and the salt, and whisk them together until well combined. Using a hand mixer in medium setting, beat the egg whites until it becomes frothy. Add the cream of tartar and continue beating. Then, gradually add the sugar and continue beating until soft peaks are achieved. Put a bit of the meringue into the mixture to loosen it and gently fold it together. Then, fold in the remaining meringue until it's well combined. Lined an 8 by 3 inches baking pan with parchment paper and pour the mixture, and make sure you leave a bit of space for it to rise. If you have excess mixture left, you can make it into cupcakes. Using a skewer, swirl into the mixture to release air bubbles. And top it. And add hot water into the bigger pan for water bath. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 130 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour, increase it to 150 degrees Celsius and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown and when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And after baking, turn off the oven and leave the cake in the oven for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove it from the oven and put it in a wire rack to completely cool. Once it's already cool, transfer the cake into a tray or a board. Slowly peel the parchment paper . Put the board and flip it over . Dust it with icing sugar to finish. You can also top it with fruits like strawberries if you like. And before serving, chill it in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight. And here's our finished product! This cake is airy, moist, and soft. The sweetness is just right and is absolutely delicious. Definitely worth a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! So soft and delicious.